Easy Metallic Leaves Gel Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I have a very autumn, very pretty, very elegant design that's got metallic leaves. And to make the leaves metallic, I used Madam Glam's new metallic collection, which is a special base coat and then a silver layer and then kind of like jelly polishes, so very sheer stained glass looking polishes on top of the silver, and then the chrome metalliciness of the silver shows through. So I hope you guys like this design as much as I do, and I'm planning on showing you guys more metallic colors from the Madam Glam line as I can, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
So I'm going to begin on my ring finger by applying that special base coat, and it just applies very smooth. It's a little thicker than Madam Glam's other base coat, so it kind of self-levels maybe a little more. And then I'm going to be applying a layer of their metallic silver, and this color on its own is just gorgeous. So apply that and wait 30 seconds. So as you can see in the video, it just flattens out and creates this wonderful mirror chrome finish. So like I said, 30 seconds give or take. You can see it shift into having that smooth finish. Then cure that. Now I'm going to be painting 4 different colors across the nail. So I have the color Starfire, Hold My Wine, Ruby Red, and Tin Green. And I am impressed by all of these. They have kind of a stained glass or jelly type of finish to them. And the Tin Green and the Ruby Red are my absolute favorite. They're very Christmassy, which I know I'm a little premature for, but I'm so excited to use them once that holiday season rolls around. So after those 4 colors are on there, I just use a sponge to kind of blend them together a little bit, cure it, apply a layer of top coat, cure it again. And now I'm going to be taking a creamy nude color, which I believe is Madam Glam's Cafe au Lait. I can double check though. But then after I have that on there, I'm going to just take, and with that really creamy, very pale nude, I'm going to be painting a very simple frond style leaf across the nail. So I have a center little stem and then really small leaves coming off of that. So just take, and when you're painting the leaves, if you have like a little drop of the gel on the end of the brush and then you pull it out, you should be able to get nice little leaf shapes with little effort. After that's cured, I'm going to be applying matte gel top coat over the leaves, and try to get it just on the leaves so the leaves are matte and that metallic background still has that gorgeous shine to it. It'll make the whole design just so much more interesting. There's so much more depth to it when you have a couple different elements like that. Cure that so the matte top coat's done, and then on the rest of the nails, thumb, index, middle, and pinky, I'm going to be painting 2 colors of that pale creamy beige, then apply a layer of matte top coat. And then for my thumb, I'm going to start by creating a maple leaf in the center of the nail. So take your metallic base coat and just paint your little leaf as best as you can. It's very weird to be painting something that you can't really see. So you can't see your metallic leaf too well at this stage because you're painting with clear. So all you have to go on is where it's shiny and where it's not, which can be a little funky to do. And it definitely, you have to have good lighting. But try to get your maple leaf as even and as perfect as possible. If it isn't perfect, that's fine. It's just clear. But do the best you can. And after you have it done that far, cure it. And then I'm going to be painting over my leaf with the silver. And when you have it at this point, you can see much better where you're placing the color. And if your silver has to go a little bit off your base coat in one spot or another to make the leaf look a little bit more balanced or even or realistic, definitely do that. It just won't be quite as shiny in the areas that the base coat wasn't underneath it. Same thing if you have base coat in an area where you really don't need to have it. If you just ignore it in that area, you'll just have an area that's a bit shiny where it wouldn't need to be. But same thing, it's fine. So add your leaf, and after you have your full leaf painted, wait your 30 seconds again before curing it. Now I'm going to be using those same 4 topper colors, and I'm going to be applying them just in kind of patches here and there over my leaf. So don't do like each section of leaf a different color. Try to have each section a couple different colors and have the colors spaced out around the leaf so it just kind of morphs from one color into the next going across. And all the colors are so perfect for autumn that they can just blend together, and if they mix a little bit, it's perfect. You have more colors that you get to work with then. So it's, just do all the colors, cure it, then apply some glossy gel top coat over just the leaf. So you don't want to get too much top coat if you can on the matte background. Same thing, you want it to have a couple different sheens to it just because it makes the design a little bit more interesting. After you have that on there, cure it. And then for my index, middle, and pinky, I created a reverse French design. So I'm going to begin with the metallic base coat, just a thin little line right along the cuticle area, cure. Then after that, apply my little silver line right along the cuticle area, wait my 30 seconds, and then cure. After that, on the index nail, I used the color Hold My Wine, which is such a pretty plum color. It's so very rich and deep, and it's gorgeous. All these colors are gorgeous. I'm very impressed by all 4 of those topper colors. Then on the middle, I used the Ruby Red, which once again, I'm so excited for Christmas. I actually just applied this on a client yesterday, the full set of Ruby Reds, fingers and toes, and she was like, oh, I can't wait for Christmas. This will be perfect for Christmas. And then on the Pinkie, I'm going to be applying the tin green color right along the cuticle, and then apply some gel top coat glossy over just the metallic little lines and cure it, and you're all done. And then I'm also going to be showing you Madam Glam's, their cuticle oil. It's called their Elixir. It is vegan and cruelty-free, just like their gels, which is something that I consider to be kind of high priority in my shopping criteria. And so it comes in a pretty large bottle, I would say. It's much bigger than most other cuticle oils that you get. And so it's got a little dropper on it, which I kind of have a love-hate relationship with. I like that you don't have to touch the skin, so that keeps it a little bit more sanitary if you're using it on clients. I feel like it gets a little too much product out at once, so I have put 1 drop on my thumb, and I could do all 10 nails plus with that 1 drop. So it takes a little bit of precision not to get too much product out, and this also doesn't set in and soak in a little bit. It doesn't soak in as fast as I have with some of my others, which same thing, love-hate relationship. It works better if it doesn't soak in quite as fast because it stays on the skin and kind of helps keep them soft for a little longer. But I have a lot of clients that if they can see their cuticle oil on, they wipe it off right away. So, you know, maybe using it at night is probably the best choice for this one. So love-hate relationships, just the way it goes with a lot of things in life. But here's the design, and here's a Melody Minutes.
Hey Melody, who is this on your tummy? Who is that? Who is that? Mimi. Yeah, is it Mimi? Who's this on your legs? Who is that? Who's this right here on your legs? That's a pumpkin. That one's cute. What? Well, yeah, what about that one? Who's that on your legs? Who is that? Or that one, yeah, who is that? You're just going to point them all out. Could you say it? Me. Yeah, good job. Mwah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this design. Like I said, easy. I'll put links to everything in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!